At if and at else let a real mixin or function branch its output based on a genuine condition, like an argument's value. In this video you'll build a real conditional mixin. This real at if at else genuinely branches which declarations get output based on the actual value passed as $size. The same real mixin genuinely produces two different sets of declarations depending on the actual argument each call passes. At if and at else genuinely branch a mixin or function's output based on a condition. The condition can check a real argument's value, like $size is equal to large. One real mixin can replace several near duplicate ones with a single condition. Add an at if at else branch to a real mixin based on one of its arguments. Ready to loop over a real list or map automatically?